cakesters, welcome to this week's weekly vlog. I'm starting the vlog right here. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at _kimberly_. As you guys see in the title, I'll be going to my first media event here in Jamaica. Your girl was invited by Guineas to come to their marching into Guineas on St. Patrick's Day, because today's St. Patrick's Day. So this is the fit. You know, I was keeping a little subtle. So this is my coach camera and a man. No, say Crystal when I get that for Christmas. Her coach camera bag with red details, a white top from Shein, a pinnet. It's supposed to be more open. Then these cargo pants from Shein as well. And then some red and white dunk dupes from Shein. So yeah. So I don't mean to tell you, like, oh, they can do it cute on a budget. Everything from head to toe is Shein but the bag. And the bag is what brings it off. Remember, we wear clothes and the clothes wear we. Period. So I'm going to take you guys to this event with me. I hope that you guys love it. And also remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You want to see what my sissy is wearing? So this is Sissy's clothes. She not done yet.
My comfortable jewelry.
Yeah, she's giving Rich Annie vibes as always. I still make her an aunt the next 20 years.
Lie.
The lowest what you are still like
28, I'll be 40.
yeah, first pick
45.
Okay guys.
Yeah, you can't check. Sure.
You come and touch on my sister how much ever do you?
The lady really want her grandkids.
But look at me older than a shake, so. I can't carry them go shopping. Let's sit. Get it on, get it on, get it on, get it on, get it on. Get it on, Mr. You. Get it on.
You're quite embarrassing.
So yeah guys, we're going to a media event tonight. It's currently 8:21 and it finishes at 12:30. Love these type of events for girlies like us that are always late. You're not always late. Say something more. But we'll pull up everything.
Catch me.
Say just say something, pull up every single clip where we go late.
Guys.
She's big mad because I wore her coach bag and she wanted to eat with her feet, but I think the brown eats as well. And she's going to wear a gold bridge.
I feel like the brown bring it down. I'm going to show no why. So look, excuse me to talk to my people then. People of God.
Kim is gonna move now.
And I'm gonna lip glass it. Look.
I have to get the bag for.
Because more of them see
Okay.
how the fit look.
Yeah, and then with your red bag, come on, know one thing the girl love.
We can't see so far, so I wanna see all this work go down.
Yeah,
I want you to comment below which one. Yeah. I don't feel about this either.
Alright. I think
you don't feel so comfortable. What? Probably just not
I think this one goes really well. I tell sister Seth who puts on a gold clutch chair with her gold bridges. What's the on? What it gold? Some say that name.
Yum it up.
And the girl still a go wear a brown bag. I feel like this. Mommy, that is not nice.
That's not girl. Rich and
I don't believe she should be wearing a strap bag.
I don't
hold on
think
that.
so.
No. Hold
See,
it
girl?
and it match your earring and your accessories in it.
You know my problem is because of my color. You know my problem is.
No.
Yeah.
She think it have a flavor my head, my perfume? Crazy. Anyways.
I think the white so small stuck on me with my peachy oil.
Go wear Miss Dior. I am Marc Jacobs, yeah.
Anyways.
Kiss that pop. Where you go?
I go Bridget's with it. I feel like you would eat.
I really can't see, but
Girl, you come right out. That them
But you know, big
sweet.
man, this goes.
cool now.
Take time. Please put on the gold bridges with that. The earth color.
So guys, it's a get ready with me and my family. As per usual.
Comment to me. Go tap on my face and tap.
This is the hair. Yeah, and she went alone a pretty hair to them. Having pretty hair, I'm still get my Empress locks. But when we're on our way, I'll pick you guys back up. Hope that you guys will love this little vlog. Because you know it's our first media event. So in the comment down below, some Guinness buckle.
I'm so proud of my sister. Comment the Guinness buckle.
Comment be a Guinness.
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 Because you know so when you have Guinness, you're smooth.
Smooth with it. Smooth with it. Smooth with it. Smooth with it. So I'll pick you guys back up when we are heading out. Auntie, your car is clean, man.
As it should be.
I be like a girl till I can't ever do it. So clean, I don't even know where to put my foot. Look at my fingers. Guys, I am back home. Well, the event was a solid 10 for me. For my first media event, I actually like it. And as I tell you, I got everyone my sister for one main reason, the vibe. Now myself them I play two Christian song, me and I got India bubble gala bubble.
No, absolutely not. I would not bubble to any Christian song.
Oh, we're gonna do Papa Pizza to Christian music. I get me.
My mother raised me well. Hi guys, it was a vibe. I had fun. I enjoyed my getting smooth.
Never feel out of place.
I didn't realize that the music I've been listening at dancehall is actually Irish music. So learn something tonight.
Oh, did that them say?
The same song I'm usually play out of circle. So them which was Irish folk floor.
Okay.
So it was a vibe. I love the color, I love the decor. The girls at the front, don't forget the girl that when they put on a band.
Yes, they were
like,
sweet.
Oh, you're so pretty. And Kim was like, she was pretty.
More pretty.
I mean, usually people say she's pretty first, but you know,
she first met tonight.
But tonight is the first of amazing things to come. A lot of amazing things to come. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and remember to follow Kimmy Cakes, Kimmy Shoe Cakes.
Follow Kimmy Shoe Cakes on YouTube, okay?
Okay. So size kitty shoot, okay?
Okay, look. Guys, make a Steve Mattel.
I'm set.
And the dollar of work.
Before 8 o'clock tomorrow. Wish me luck.
I'm not lying to myself.
I'm not lying to myself either. I'm going to reach.
Them have to go down.
And them know some I'm going to reach. So I will shadow.
Me not reach. Shadow.
My sisters are clouding.
Who is the baddest of them all? You are.
Then she's like, feeling about it,
guys, I really love my body. Like, I can't believe so like the girl is fully.
This is literally 2 years later. Since the last 2 years, Kimmy has been at work and job, but she don't like her body. Like, since she's gained weight, she don't like her body, she don't like go, she don't say her body, she's very uncomfortable. And now for years she said that.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah,
and this is just the working stage, and this is why you must always believe in yourself, and only you can get yourself what you want, because you have to work feet.
Period.
Work feet.
Good night, guys. Kiss them.
Come here, my dog.
I'm hungry.
Come, baby.
Hello, my cakesters. It is a Monday, and we're done with work. Love this. Love this. So, before me even get on the nitty-gritty, I have something for address. After girl do her meal prep, some of the comments section because them know the doll, you know. Them say, make sure so when you see her go buy an for lunch and make sure we see her use the container there. Girl, and I did. This is my lunch kit. I'm going to tell you, say, every single thing when I make. Normally I'd be like everything that my mommy makes. But I'm so proud I can make everything that I make. It's done. Look. Don't play with me. Oh God, I forget to wash out one thing, my coffee cup. But yeah, child, I'm sticking to it. I'm a step by it. And I did like a pre and post workout smoothie. The reason I'm say pre and post because now I'm really and truly full. I'm full to the brim, but may I say no, but if I can't hold look something from going to the gym, so give me that look extra oomph there because I ate at 12. So yeah, we're going to head to the gym. I don't know, I'm excited. I never because I'm getting new gym fits. The Dallas is super excited for going to the gym. So before the traffic stop being very ridiculous, make we go at the gym. So we're here guys after so many trials. So normally I reach gym by 4:30. I'm gonna take a new route which is supposed to be better. I reach 4:44. And not even that alone. The fact that I have got through so much for reach, if you get what I say. So I'm going to go workout now. Hopefully I don't get scared on that video. Hopefully. Guys, I'm all done with the gym and I don't know, today was just not one of them days for video like saw lots of new faces. I'm never want nobody uncomfortable, you get me? So I just did my workouts and then I start feeling some joint pain. So my trainer recommended me to get some calcium. I'm supposed to post on Insta. So my trainer recommended me to get some calcium and get some proteins. Listen, so now just decide for do a healthy life, just expect to spend a bag. The starting though, you're gonna spend a bag, but as you progress, I think you're gonna spend so much money. But I'm having my post-workout smoothie. I actually like it. This is dragon fruit banana. Crazy part is I don't even eat banana. It's dragon fruit banana. I think pineapple. Your Jessica grains pineapples, and I put oat milk in it. Eat down. I'm going to head home because I want to go TikTok live and shower and Google Maps. I'm gonna reach home 6:30 and I want to start TikTok live at 7. So that give me a 30 minutes grace period to go ahead and shower and unwind and all of that. But today was a good gym session nonetheless of my knees giving out on me. So I had to use the row machine, but child, me to the row machine and see people I used to them look calm and collect. Oh, why me if you know back? Why me if you everywhere? Trainer's like, oh, you should do 10 minutes on the row machine. I actually did 12 and I'm so proud of myself. So proud of me. This is the best thing I could ever do. Have some of a drink as my done workout. Like, I'm not crave a bag of food right now. This is entirely keeping me. Wow, just wow. So I'm going to head home before the traffic, and tomorrow is going to be a different type of video. We're going to go to work, but work is different. We're not do the office work tomorrow. Your friend get work, your friend get work, your friend get work. But another type of work that we do, I can't wait for you guys to come to work with me tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna angle that. We're gonna angle bangle. Let's head out before the traffic.
Watch them fuck some of them now go find them some ranking soul.
Guys, I'm home. I'm going to go shower and then go on TikTok live. When I reach home to 6:30, it's 7:16. Got the traffic unpredictable. Well, let's go shower. But yeah, that's just me checking in. Good morning, my cakesters. It's the new day and I'm going to take you guys to work with me. So let's go. I'm going to give you guys a different side of work for me. If you don't know, I don't do promotions anymore. Only if people request me. I know the girl do a lot of promo for it. But I'll be going to the stadium today. I'll be going Tuesday through Saturday. But I'm going to take you guys to today is like the least busy day, which is the best day for me to get some content. So you're going to see a little sports content in this video. But I hope that the sports people them enjoy it. Right? Right. So let's head straight to work. So I would have been me unless I get some coffee. But hear me out. It's for a cause. Today I don't finish working till 8 and we started at 9. So it's for a cause. So let's go grab some coffee. Plus I'm bringing some coffee for my supervisor. Guys, my sister is my supervisor. Oh, I love being an elite employee. My mom produced elite employees. Look at that style is, yeah. Let me show you guys what I got. I got a shaken espresso. I think it's a toffee one. It's currently on the board right now. Love it. I'm glad I still have mercy. Went ahead and got bacon egg cheese bagel for me, and my sister wanted a cheese Danish. She also got a vanilla cappuccino. Yeah, this is how my bagel is looking. Comfort. And before somebody come for me and say, Kim, where your lunch then? My lunch in my bag. Okay? Breakfast was just not breakfasting. I'm fasting. I'm just a joke, yeah? Just never do one, so I'm never giving my boiled egg. But we're going to head out now. I'm literally 2 minutes away from the stadium, so that's good. That's good. So let's go. Guys, we're entering through Nannyville instead because it's, you know, once you're doing events you get back entrance, but me they completely forget that. So yeah, one thing with me, I just love how my mother grew me. When Umbonis did I give her, my mother looked like she should go down on her knee 2 times for no go wipe on the go down. Then the rest just go in there Umbonis 2-3 times, you get me? Because here you have a full of manners to get where you are. Hello, I'm a part of the Grace family. Beside my pa.
Where from?
Huh?
Where from?
Well, my father, Dan Webby.
No, we said, what the father?
Dan Webby. Oh, I'm named Mr. Kennedy.
So, where mother?
I never did, I did 2 man.
So, yeah, his sister or cousin, sure.
The cousin. Far cousin.
But I did it.
As I'm telling you, as I see the conversation a while ago, oh shoot, I should have took that parking right there. I'm telling you, see in this place when you come at Champs, you have a full of manners here. Now because you have on the shirt, means that the security them will let you through. Don't believe that. If you come here, say you ring up your neck and do the most, and oh, I'm a part of the Grace team. What do you mean by I cannot park here? Hey, them man don't even look by you. They will walk off, leave you. That they tell you. They will walk off, leave you. I said, my ass big up my mother for all her goodness so she give me, brother. Because one thing in my mother, when Umbony did I give her, my mother just go feed it. You get me? She no play, bro. And that is something that I will most definitely teach my kids. Umbony scare you far away if you can open a lot of doors for you. Because me I tell you, say some people, when them I do the security them, me part of the Grace family. I just reach. Me like, hi, good morning. I'm a part of the Grace family. Where do we park? Because you probably be the lighting at them day, and most people don't get that. We are here at work. Let's go inside the stadium. I hope I get some exclusive footage, you know. Yeah, I hope I get to go. Well, I'm gonna get to go around at them where the athletes are, but I want to get some footage for you guys. Hope that you guys like this work there. You guys actually get to see what I do. I'm an elite employee. So I'm here finally. So the first task is to go to all the merchants in the grandstand area and check their prices. So let's go do that.
kit for Kingston College. Further inside, Ainsley Brown of Port Antonio tries to keep in touch. No more for 800 meters, but he steps down nicely. And also there, Jamal Brown of Veer Technical will keep him company. Our senior Rose, after Canton now, cruising to the line, 40, 30.
I have to be vlogging on my phone.
Yeah, cause we can't.
We can't. You in my business. Don't do that. Look, a girl that left my food, people. She don't want me strive, you know. She don't want me strive.
Yeah, I make your ball so nicely. I'm proud of myself, you see. You try and enjoy it, it's not the fruit.
Which fridge? Are the us?
No, Kimberly.
Oh. Where you going?
I have a test at 2 p.m.
And you don't study?
No. I'm going to ask my teacher to push it back to next week.
Should I care about you? Guys, I'm pray for Sissy. So why you carry them here, yo?
No, I'm going to chop it off now. Come on, I'm going to collect something.
Alright then, Sissy, watch brush it, girl.
Remember for writing the sign and
Sissy,
call
brush
bird.
it. Bye!
Off and running. Good start for the man from Veer Riley. DeAndre Daly now responds and moves to the front. DeAndre Daly at the counter. That stretch. Further outside, traveling well. Kevina Bourne of Port Antonio has quality. So does Kelly Graham of Mount Alvernia. And that's the top two at the moment. Entering the straightaway, navigating the curve with great ease. It's Bourne. Kevina Bourne, the Eastern champion over the distance. Moving away from Mount Alvernia's Graham. Advancing, looks to be Kimanda Swivikovia. But only the top two sure to advance, and Kevina Bourne making light work of qualification 56.90.
At chance time, everybody feel fine and I enter the stadium. What a long line. Every school turn up them in a them prime. Ready to go win the medal, them with a shine. Stadium back from teachers to grandson. With coaches and teachers, cheerleaders, with move your umbrella. Fans that get wild and nobody can calm them. Can you read to the whistle and the hand there? When that's the laugh, the soup and the can there. No more after champs, warrior one there.
President of ISSA, Mr. Keith Wellington.
Guys, it's now 7:08. We're done working, guys. I didn't really see everything I'm gonna do today. And as I'm telling you today, it's gonna be a very light day. I'm gonna tell you light, it's going to be super duper light because like champ start, but you know you start here, but yeah. So guys, anyone wants to meet in this video, I did not use my money. My workplace gives us food. So I got island grill. I really wanted a just enough. But at least I don't left and the bread seems very tough. This is oh, it'll give me yard, so okay, so it's oh, it's a yard style burger. The one in the planting. See too? You know, look, I got this one or something like that. But I'm really hungry. Don't come from here, it's okay. Where am I? Girl, I did not use my money. That's what I'm gonna do is so the food I'm showing you earlier. I literally ate a cereal. I'm probably like 5 spoons of rice, literally. I'm showing you all my cereals. This is the food right here. And I'm gonna take my burn off this because a girl walked today. And as much as I wanted to. It's a 5,800. Now I'm gonna 10K a day. Crazy. But yeah, this is Din. I'm going to head home to close out the vloggy vlog here now. So I hope that you guys actually enjoyed the little champs footage I'm get to you because as you know, you guys aren't a sporty girl. But it's really what happened in my life. It's really what I did this week, you know? So I captured it. I know that you guys wanted to see the gym clips. I initially wanted to wake up at 5 and go gym and then give you guys a whole routine and all of that. But child, I was so tired. So tired. Anyways, child, let's leave before the traffic start get out. The exit. I really don't want to be in that traffic. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that it probably they've reached 20 minutes. But I'm just putting out what I can put out. I'm really sorry, guys. Like, if the videos are below 30 seconds, 30 minutes, I do apologize, but it's really what is just taking place and what I can capture. But don't worry. Next week content, eat down. I'm gonna tell you, eat down. I wonder why my foot them feel so cool. When I tell you, like, next week content gonna eat down, you gonna eat down. Because your girl gonna have a lot of time on her hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for always showing up and showing out for your girl. I see you guys over there in the shorts. I see you guys on the channel itself. The last video that I did, it reached 500 in a day, which is good. So proud of myself, because remember my video me just stuck at 180. Massive growth. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and see you on Sunday. I'll probably get upload Friday, but I'm not push it. I don't want to jinx it. So soon as Sunday, and continue being a good body cakester.